His English really sucks. That movie really sucked. Get over it. What did you get? How's your food? What's wrong with you? It's a long story. My phone is dead. My battery is low. I'll call you back. It's no big deal. Stop nagging. I'm on my way. Can I get a ride? Never mind. I didn't mean it. I'm begging you. Grow up. Did you eat? I'm starving. I'm stuffed. Let's split the bill. My treat. I'm flat broke. How was your day? I had a long day. How's school? I'm not feeling well. You made my day. It slipped my mind. I'm not in the mood. I'm so relieved. You want to bet? You bet. I won't let you down. Wish me luck. I don't care. Care for some coffee? Let's take a walk. What brings you here? Let me out over there. I can't take it anymore. She was upset. Say that again? What's wrong? I'm exhausted. Watch your language. I'm just teasing you. Let's make a toast. I ran into her. You have a minute? Let it go. How did it go? I'm so screwed. Calm down. Are you guys together? Are you into him? Are you into her? He's taken. She's taken. Are you seeing anyone? I'm seeing someone. We've been together for 5 months. No offense. Do me a favor. What time do you get off? Something came up. Are you done? Give me a break. Who cares? I'll take care of it. Don't change the subject. Just spit it out. I'm all set. This is ridiculous. Make it on time. I'm impressed. I'm flattered. I called in sick. Are you sure? I had no idea. Don't be silly. So, where were we? You'll be sorry. May I help you? What are you looking for? What are you waiting for? What took you so long? I am free. I'm in a hurry. Why not? Look who's here. Good for you. You've crossed the line. I can live with that. You went too far this time. Don't ask. I'm coming. Don't be a chicken. Can I get a refund? It's pouring. A piece of cake. Let's call it a day.